Hello friends, on this video right I'm going to show you how you can activate Google Voice Typing on Motorola. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So friends, first of all, here you have to move on setting. When you move on setting, from here you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling, and here on the last option you can see this point of the last second is the system. So friends, click on system. When you click on system, here you can see the first option is the language and input under this system. So tap on language and input. Then from here you have to click on this option of the, you can see keyboards. Okay, so under this keyboard you can see on screen keyboard or Gboard. So just click on screen keyboard. After that you can see here the last option is the Google Voice Typing. So if you want to activate this Google Voice Typing automatically, then you just click on this icon and it says not. Okay, if you restart your phone and have your screen lock set, this app can't start until you unlock your phone. Okay, so click on OK, and here your Google Voice Typing will be activated successfully. And if you don't want to use, then you can just click on this icon and it will be set off. Okay, so like this you can on and off your Google Voice Typing if you want to use or if you don't want to use. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.